Thanks for checking out this OLSP review. My name is Charles from a website called infoSpike, and I'm going to provide you with the pros and cons of the system, things that I've learned along the way, as well as information about the founder. So the guy that created this, his name is Wayne Crowe. I've known about him for well over a decade. He's well known in the internet marketing realm, and this OLSP stands for One Lead System Pixel. And I believe the reason why he called it that is because it's one link to promote them all. And if you could think about this ecosystem is that people just need to promote one link. And then once a person comes into this system, they get a free membership. And this free membership allows people to log in with their username, their password. They log into a system and they're able to get some free training. And then if people decide to upgrade to this first notch here for $7, then they're able to get access to a system that allows them to make $270 paydays. So is this possible? In my perspective, yes, it is. And this is from a person, myself, that has been in internet marketing, affiliate marketing since the 90s. And so started building websites in the mid 90s, but then got involved in affiliate marketing in the late 90s and have promoted all types of affiliate products and been part of many affiliate networks. And so I can say that just looking at this, if someone's wondering, is this typical results or is it just very tough? I'd say that if anybody is working the system for, like, let's say at least a month, they will earn commissions. Will they make exactly 270 or over 270? That really depends on your effort. And I want to say this because some people, they'll try to equate their time to a job. Building a business is not a job. Like in a job, you put in, like, let's say 40 hours a week and you get X amount back and you know how much you make per an hour, you make a certain amount back. And that is not how a business works. So if you want to be successful in a business, you got to change that mindset and realize that marketing, especially to the masses, it can be a numbers game. It is a numbers game. And so just because this person made so much in, like, let's say 5 days, it might take you less, it might take you more. And those are things that you have to learn and improve on along the way. So that applies to just about any business, not just OLSP. So this guy here, Wayne Crowe, has been around for a long time, and um, he was very involved in solo ads, and he is one of the most well-known solo ad providers, so much that he's gotten beyond these platforms. You might have heard of like Udemy before. And so when I first saw this course, I didn't even think about going into it. And the reason being is that I had a bad experience with solo ads in the past where I put in multiple four figures, learned from one of the top gurus in the business. And what I realized is that after going through that bad experience, what I mean is that dropping a lot of money, and then after that, thinking that, okay, I have a 10,000 person list now. And then the whole idea back then was, okay, if you build a list with 10,000 people, each person is worth $1. So you'll be making like $10,000 a month. And what I realized that that's a bunch of BS. So a bunch of BS. And you got to realize that not every lead is a buyer lead. Not everyone is a high quality lead. And so what you have to realize is that you learn, I learned from that journey, and I learned that I think I was part of a beta test for a system that was being built out, and it's just bad timing maybe. But what I realized is that um, getting high quality leads is extremely important. It's not just about the count that you have. Having 10,000 leads in your autoresponder does not amount to $10,000 plus a month or even close to that. So after getting 10,000 leads from that other system, I ended up just getting like probably less than $200 in commission, which sucks. So I didn't make that money back and learned a lot along the way. And so from all these experiences, you got to learn. So one thing I have to say about Wayne is that even though he was a sole ad provider, he learned along the way as well. And when I first got in the system, I was thinking, gosh, is this guy all about solo ads? And then something happened. And it was probably from seeing a lot of marketers promote other super affiliates that were just pushing solo ads a lot. And I was thinking, maybe I should revisit this. Maybe going into solo ads, maybe something has changed recently, or maybe there's something that I don't know about it. And then what I realized was that I wanted to learn from not these people that are just pushing product after product every single week or every month. I wanted to learn from somebody who's been around the block, somebody that really, really understands this business. And so I decided to actually take up this offer from Wayne. And I realized that what I thought initially about Wayne is just a solo ads guy, that he's just focused on sending solo ad traffic to a lead capture page and building a list, and that's pretty much it. What I realized is that that's not what OLSP is about. In fact, over 90%, I'd say well over 90%, 95% probably of the system has nothing to do with solo ads. The traffic sources are not about solo ads. And so I've been able to learn a lot from this. And so another thing to say about the system is it is an ecosystem that promotes a lot of the products within OLSP. And what you're seeing here with these commissions, this is kind of special because I joined in at this level, what I'll show you soon. It's a higher level. It's called Team Builder. And with Team Builder, I have pretty good commissions, as far as the commission rate. So if I go into, like, let's say a mega link, you could see that there's a side hustle and a biz op angle. It's 100% tier one, and then I'm a team builder, so I get 200%. And then find out that from my commission level here. So the commissions are pretty good, and software, of course, and other ones might be lower, so 50%, 5%. But the thing is that, to me, anything above 50%, especially if it's dealing with software and training, that's cool with me. And so want to show you something that is huge for me is this software here. So some people might recognize this interface. And this is the Mega Builder software. And it's built upon one of the most famous backbones of marketing as far as software goes in the industry. So well known in the United States and well known across many tier one countries. And if you recognize it, then that's good, because this is what I was able to get when I joined up as a team builder. And the cool thing about this, and I'll differentiate it with what people get through Megalink, which is just a $7 product. So through Megalink, you promote this, you're able to use this link, and then when people go through the system, you're able to generate leads through the system. You're able to see those lead details and the conversions. So that's good. But if you want the ability to use more advanced automations and control that, and also be able to build out websites, your landing pages, your funnels, you want to create your own courses even beyond OLSP, you want to create membership sites, you want to actually integrate this into a lot of things, even like SMS text, and be able to connect even like social media accounts and all that. This has the power to do that. And for people that are just hardcore into promoting the key offers within OLSP, so I'll show you this. Wayne has a lot of different squeeze pages, and you can see that it's not just these 5 pages here. Each one has a lot of funnels. So like, let's say if I want to promote Megalink, I have 15 funnels that I can access. And I'm not sure if I can show you, but I'll just let you know that these are created by a very experienced person that knows about traffic conversions, very good at copywriting. So the landing pages, I reviewed all of them. They're very good. And you can see that each one of these, even Magic Link, has 11 funnels. So what does that mean for you? What that means for you, if you're just getting started out, you have the ability to promote a very good affiliate offer that has high conversions. And then you're also able to get an option to upgrade. I got Team Builder and I got the access to this Mega Builder software, and I'm able to get access to this very, very powerful software, CRM, and much more. If I wanted to create a WordPress blog, you could see that I have that option too. If I wanted to create client portals, forums, surveys, chat widgets, upload media, this has that ability. and then I could customize it. I could actually create pipelines, workflows. So kind of like if you're into more advanced stuff, like if somebody does this, then this is what happens. So that is the power of this software. So again, you don't get the software with just paying $7 from just this mega link offer, but you have the potential to get paid out. And so let's just show some of the commissions. So let's say that I just come in as an entry level person. Let's say if I come in just with a mega link, here's the commission breakdown. So if you're just a mega link, you get 100% off tier one. And then you can see, like for myself, I get this. And then like let's say if I wanted to promote this list building system as an entry level mega link builder, I'd say 100%, 0% tier two. Tier two is, by the way, that's called two-tier affiliate. And then Mega Builder Monthly as a MegaLink member, you get 10%, while I would get 50%. So I think that's fair. You pay $7, and if you upgrade more, then you get a higher commission. So that's just how it is. So that's pretty cool. And if people are just getting started with, like, let's say a MegaLink for $7, they could still make good money, good commissions to actually get up to this. I can't say up to this. It's like you could promote a lot of offers and still get good commissions. But again, this is not guaranteed. I don't want you to think that this is a job. This is not like a freelance job. This is not like you're not working for some employer where you spend X amount of hours and get X amount back. So it is a business, and you're working, in a numbers game kind of system here. But you're focused on a target market, and the more targeted you have, the more of a buyer market that you have versus a freebie seeker market, the better chances, higher potential will get at making sales. So very good sales letter here. You see the copy is very good. The graphics are very awesome. Got a lot of people with videos, so you get to hear their stories too. So very good process for conversions. And that's all for a $7 offer. So good stuff here. And this is what you get for $7. You get your own unique mega link. That's an affiliate link. You get your quick start training. You get done for you selling system with all these automations built in for nurturing your leads. You get this active community with 170,000 members, weekly live trainings, membership website, and you get some additional training here. Pretty cool stuff for $7, including this Comment Dominator Pro. So one thing I'll say about that is that people are just used to getting commissions just from making sales. You also get paid for performing actions. So some people have heard of CPA. So by performing actions, driving traffic, you can also earn commissions. And so I'll say that the vast majority of my traffic here that I sent, and it wasn't through paid marketing, it wasn't through sending an email blast. This video that I'm recording is the very first video that reveals OLSP, and this one will be used to create a blog post. I have not created any blog posts. A lot of people know me from my infospike.com website where I have a bunch of blog posts, hundreds now. So I haven't even done that. This video is the first one, and the content that will come from this video will be the first of its type for OLSP. That's totally dedicated to OLSP. So again, I haven't really started yet. So this is actually very good to see this, that I'm earning commissions. And this is just from sending people to a link on a rotator through one of my landing pages. So it's actually pretty decent commissions, even though I haven't really been pushing any sales, any promotions yet. What else can I show you? Let's look at this. Megalink. What is the difference between Megalink and what is the difference with that and Magic Link? Because all these names starts with M. It gets kind of confusing after a while. So I would say Magic Link is good for people that want to build their own list and make commissions along the way. So look, let's say you get Megalink, you get this other offer list building for using this Magic Link. Those two offers, I would say those would be the bare minimum for me. Like if you're really serious about making money, you have two big opportunities to make money. And I'll say some people just do what's in here in Magic Link. And some people have a business where they have, and I'm talking about something that I have talked to peers about, especially in other communities about. What is here in Magic Link and what is here in MegaLink, the business processes that are discussed in the training have led, I'm not saying guaranteed, but have led to six-figure plus businesses. I'll just say that. And then you have the opportunity to learn more to accelerate your growth and a lot more. And I'll say this toffee method here. It's a game changer for me because I've been so focused on building niche sites with SEO, and this can be taken to just about any social media channel to dominate. And it's something that requires me to retrain my brain and how I think because I've been so focused on thinking about keywords and niches and keywords and trying to find ways to get search engine traffic. And this one, it's something I'm incorporating into my business because to me it's more long term. You don't have to think about the nasty algorithms in the search engines. And this is something that, even though I've been in affiliate marketing and digital marketing for 2 decades, it's the first time a video has revealed something to me where I just want to take action on it. Because to me, it's like I didn't really want to put myself out there. And that's why I went into like niche sites and all that. But this was, to me, it really changed the way that I thought about internet marketing and what I should be doing in the future. So that's actually a big thing for me. And I'll be diving more into that. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you got a lot from this video. Again, my name is Charles from infospike.com. And I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video. And I also want to say that if you are thinking about going into OLSP, one of the benefits that you get from going through my link is that when any of the people go through my affiliate links and they ask questions, if they want assistance for that product, I'm willing to help out. And especially for OLSP, it's something that is a long-term evergreen offer where I really, really want to help out affiliates build a business using this model. And some people might think of me, oh, Charles promotes all these different affiliate offers, especially ecosystems. And yes, that is the truth. I do promote ecosystems. And the big reason why is because they are evergreen. They are for the long term. And that's where I can really help out affiliates for the long term versus offers that just last for a week or two. I promoted so many products, especially if you think about the big affiliate networks in the make money online space. And then I see these offers just go away. Like after their domain renews in 1 year, they decide to just give it up and it expires. And I'm promoting affiliate links to dead offers, which is not cool. So this one is a long-term offer. And that's what I really, really like helping affiliates with, especially if you're just getting started. It's the easiest way, in my opinion, to build a business instead of worrying about all these failing websites or even like people that are selling you a pipe dream, something that is not going to work. And I think that even with this $7 product, the training that you get out of it, it's pretty, to me, golden. And I believe that you can learn a lot more from what Wayne Crowe is offering in a system called OLSP. So again, check out the link in my description, and thank you for watching.